charges as an UberEATS delivery driver accused of murder faced a judge today. You could see him wiping his eyes during the hearing. Investigators accuse Robert Bivens of shooting and killing a customer after an argument.
Now, police call it murder, but Bivens' lawyer says it was self-defense. Fox 5's Morse Diggs was in court for today's hearing. And Morse, this is not the first time that Bivens has been before a judge.
Well, that's true. He's been arrested before, but in the eyes of his defense attorney, nothing really serious, no sentence beyond probation. We've also been looking into Mr. Bivens' personal background, and I can tell you we're finding some interesting things.
Robert Bivens, an accused murderer, has never served time behind bars, according to his attorney, who listened alongside the now Fulton jail inmate as a judge read off the charges.
You are charged in this case with murder and aggravated assault with a deadly weapon.
Bivens finds himself in national headlines for what took place in this Buckhead cul-de-sac last Saturday night. A customer, Ryan Thornton, used Uber for food. Bivens was to deliver the food but had problems finding the location. There were words when he finally arrived, and according to the defense attorney, the customer was so agitated he made comments and a gesture that Bivens interpreted as possibly going for a gun.
A jury of his peers need to decide this case. So just because he's an UberEATS driver and killed a man does not mean he's guilty.
Self-defense will be the argument the attorney makes, but why didn't Bivens stay on the scene until police arrived?
Keep in mind, people panic. I mean, panicking does not mean that you're guilty. It means you just confused and don't know what to do.
What is Bivens' criminal history? Well, Atlanta police had a report of fighting between Bivens and a girlfriend. There was also a 2009 aggravated assault charge involving an altercation with a relative.
That was a misdemeanor with a fight with his cousin, which was a fist fight, did not involve any weapons at all.
Now, from that fist fight, he was sentenced to a year in probation and banned from DeKalb County for that time. Late this afternoon, I got a call from someone in the military who served with Bivens. Matter of fact, served closely with Bivens. He told me that if things went down right behind me, as Bivens told his attorney, it would have been instinctive for Bivens from his military training to fire that weapon. That'll be something that we'll have to get more comment on from others as well. But he said through the training, given the agitation and what seemed to be a move toward going into the jacket, going back to his training, would have been instinctive for him to take that action. That's one man's opinion who trained with him. Reporting live from Buckhead, I'm Morse Diggs, Fox 5 News.
Morse, thanks.